Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody, let's take a look again on euro currency. So here actually everything goes with our trading plan. It's mostly market has reached the 109.70, 109.75 area that we discussed yesterday. It was a resistance cluster, not because of the confluence area, but also this was previously the consolidation on the intraday charts, and we said that, well, this is really comfortable area where theoretically market could turn down again. It's just because in the daily picture that we said yesterday, we have some compounded engulfing pattern. So if you imagine this 2-day time frame, you could see that this might be treated as the single candle to the upside, and that might be treated as a single candle to the downside. So here we have some compounded engulfing pattern, and this pullback in the body of the pattern is a common thing. So this usually happens. So take a look at this previous engulfing mine, retracing back in the body and extension. And it happens in most cases. So market shows some pullback first and then starting the extension. So that's approximately where we're watching for. Yes, some tricky moments existing around current position, but actually this is always happens when you're dealing in the market. So always you could recognize some moments that well, doesn't give you the absolute certainty. So meantime, on the daily chart, we do not see yet some drastic shifts or something of that sort. So minor pullback, 30% retracement. Trend remains bearish here, nothing really outstanding. And based on this pattern, as we said previously, we are considering 108.50, 108.60 area, just because they oversold and first support level. So this is just minor tactical trading setup, because it will not make impact on a large time frame on the weekly chart. So it might be treated as just a retracement within the upper direction on the weekly chart. So we will see whether it will turn to something bigger late or not, but currently we're just watching for a pullback. On the 4 time frame chart, here as you could see the same pattern actually. As we said, usually the performance of the engulfing pattern on the lower time frame takes the shape of the ABCD shape, and this actually should be some kind of the AB leg, BC, and if we're correct on the downward direction, should be CD extension, somewhere from this level. So harmonic swings suggest that retracement should be somewhere in 108.60, but it seems that if we apply this ABCD pattern, it will be slightly lower, somewhere to the 108.20, 108.25, probably slightly below this level. This, of course, if downside action starts immediately. If market will climb slightly higher before retracement starts, when in this case it will be perfect combination and market perfectly agrees with this level. So what we need to keep an eye on currently. So on the hourly chart that we're mostly dealing with this trading setup, take a look. Market twice has tested the 108, 109.70, 75 area. So this was two possibility of taking the short position and simultaneously taking the stops, moving stops on the break even or somewhere. At the same time, market currently shows tight consolidation here, and you could recognize a kind of slightly sloped head and shoulders or something of that sort. I'm not sure that definitely will happen, but as you understand, this keeps door open for a possible A, B, C, D upward performance, giving us regardless cheaper to sell here on the 1 hour chart. And after that, this CD leg could start from a bit higher level. In this case, target of this compounding ABCD pattern will be very close to the 4-hour time frame target that we have just discussed. The deeper retracement to the 618 level, for example, it doesn't break the idea of the engulfing pattern on the daily chart, because pattern remains valid despite what particular level market will reach inside of it. So it might be 30%, but it's also might be the 618. and it doesn't break the validity of the pattern. So currently, guys, if you already have taken the short position, just move stops the break even and watch for this performance here. So market should start downward action if we are correct with this ABCD pattern. If it will keep flirting around in this tight range, around 1.70 longer, forming some kind of the pennant here or something of that sort, consolidating below their level, this will be the sign that we probably will get another upward action before this leg will start. From to that standpoint, if you do not have short position yet, currently probably it's not very comfortable point to consider it, just because market already shows the minor pullback out from the resistance cluster that we have just specified. And for another attempt to go short, you need to get clear signs that this leg has started. So if market start dropping lower, coming closer to these lows, well, in this case, yes, probably we could say that CD leg starts working, hand shoulders are failing, and from that standpoint, you could consider taking the short position closer to the bottom of this, to the bottom of the head right there. Alternatively, if we will get consolidation, as I said, and following upward breakout, you just need to watch for this ABCD target. It will be probably somewhere around 110, around the 618 level. So this will be right. So somewhere around 110.15 in agreement with this 618 support. In this case, we will get completion of the hand and shoulders, regardless cheap also sell pattern here, and that will be another scenario, another I would say reserve additional scenario for bearish position. It's just some variation. It's not something really new, but just some variation of the same trading setup, but in the case if market will reach this level. So that's actually what we have currently on the euro currency. That being said, if you have shorts, move stops to the break even and control the performance and break out of this level, market should turn down right from here if we're correct with this leg. If you do not have any position, wait and see what will happen. In the case of the downward action, you could consider taking the short. In the case of the upward action, you need to wait when the market will complete the ABCD pattern, give us catalyst triple to sell. That will be another attempt to go short. That's approximately the trading plan that we will follow in the nearest couple of sessions probably.